Yeah, hello. Further explain to my earlier video about writing in Emacs editor about inflation. Oh, I forgot to. You can actually put a title. Latest news about inflation. You can have a subtitle. I remember that it's from. Yeah, okay. The news. Oh, is it about inflation? Then you can write conclusion. Then you write the text, okay? So inflation is really a problem now for the economy. We all have to prepare for it. Okay. Now you can see the power of awk mode. Oh, sorry. Again, I'll export XML to XML. Inflation. Oh, sorry. Oh. Now we even have a table of content. Isn't it great? About the news. So we have a nice table of content about inflation to news. Paragraph 1.2 conclusion. My name, the date, everything. If your bot is not so picky about his own formatting, you can add in the company logo somewhere and then you can submit to him. And you can export to, yeah, I forgot about it. Actually, you can export it to PDF. Also, you can export it to DOCX. Should be able if Microsoft Word version. But now I use LibreOffice, may be a bit difficult, but you can export to a PDF. I think that would be also nice. Inflation PDF, okay. See if we can do it. Yeah, Japanese keyboard. So you get a very nice PDF file. Then you can get a table of content of news, conclusions, the news, table content, and get a news, linking. Yeah. PDF may not be nice, but you can actually export to DOCX, and then you can use Microsoft Word to increase the table width here. But all in all, it's very fast. We just use a little bit of editing in Emacs, and then can produce something really presentable. And the computer will take care of formatting for you, rather than you take care of formatting. Yeah, maybe I can do like this first before export. Let's try again. File export as PDF. Yes, it's PDF. Inflation. Yeah, now that's perfect. The much better format. Everything. You don't even have to look at that, because my task is just for data collection. I don't even look at that. I can everything here. Everything works. The format not too bad. With table of content, I can submit the whole report to my boss, everything within half an hour. Okay, thank you for listening to my sharing experience today as a supplement to my last video about using Emacs to organize all information without all those frustrating formatting and create your own format by the computer, not using your own effort to do all the formatting.